Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Citi Online using two-step verification, beginner guide step-by-step clearly. To authenticate with Citi Online using two-step verification, start by navigating to the Citi Online website. Locate the login section on the home page. Enter your user ID in the designated field. Click on the Continue button to proceed. You will be directed to the password entry page. Type in your password carefully. Once your password is entered, click on the Sign On button. At this point, you will be prompted for two-step verification. Choose your preferred method of authentication, such as a text message or an authentication app. If you select text message, ensure your mobile number is correct, then click on the Send Code button. Wait for the verification code to arrive via text message. Enter the received code in the specified field on the screen. If you are using an authentication app, open the app to find your verification code. Type the code from the app into the verification field. After entering the code, click on the Verify button. If the code is correct, you will gain access to your Citi Online account. Make sure to log out after completing your session for security. If you encounter issues during the process, double-check your user ID and password. For added security, consider changing your password regularly. Follow any additional prompts as necessary, based on your account settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.